To make the spiral heart ring, we're going to use 18 gauge wire in a red color. You need cutters, flat pliers, round pliers, and either a ring mandrel, ring cone, or a marker. We'll take about a 6 to 8 inch piece of wire and we're just going to bend it up at an angle, and then we'll get our round pliers or a round shape, and we're just going to bring this one around to one side and then around to the other side. So we have 2 loops that are the same size, and then we're just going to take our smaller round pliers and just form a bit of a spiral. So you just hold it gently, bring it around, all the way around. You might have to wiggle it a little bit, and we just want to go right around. Take the end and bring it all the way out like that, and then the same on this side. So we're just going to bring this one around, hold it gently with the round pliers and bring it all the way around, and we're just carefully forming that spiral. So right around, and then you want these wires to both be going out either direction. The one on this side we're going to cut flush, and then we'll pinch it down, and then this one too, we want to pinch it down a bit, push that one down a little bit more. So we have the basic heart shape, and just hold that and bring it all the way around. And then from here, depending on how big you need the ring, we're just going to clip it flush. You can always file it a bit if you want, and then we're just going to bring this one so it sits right in there. And you can always put it on your ring mandrel and tap it with a hammer to get the wire a little bit harder. And there you have your super cute spiral heart ring, and you can make it smaller if you want.